Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the tint or the temperature of a picture on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then tap on the gallery app on your home screen or in the app screen. Next, you want to open up a photo album and then go down and open up a picture that you would like to edit. Then tap on the edit button at the bottom, and then tap on the tone button. Next, you want to swipe across and tap on the tint button if you want to apply the tint color to an image. And then you can also tap on the temperature button to change the temperature color of an image. And that's it. So simply drag on this slider bar to the left or to the right to change the color. So you can make the picture look cooler or warmer by changing the temperature of a picture. And then don't forget to tap on the save button at the top to save the changes. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home key at the bottom of the screen to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.